What is going on, guys? It is Garfunkel, and today I am doing my 3-month update of my Smile Direct Club aligners, which for me means I only have 1 more month left because I only had a 4-month process. And I am so excited to almost be done. That means I only have to wear 3 different aligners and I'll be done. I will have straight teeth. I really hope. We will see. Today I wanted to give you a quick rundown on how things are going for me. There have been a few updates, a few little wakes, but I also wanted to give you 6 benefits that you may not know you will get with Smile Direct Club aligners, and they are very cool, so stick around for that. To start out, I wanted to let you guys know that I might be experiencing some issues with my Smile Direct Club aligners. It seems like on one side of my mouth, the aligners aren't really catching on to the teeth like they should be. And I'll show you guys a picture of these at the end, but it seems like there is a little bit of gapping around where the aligner should be gripping onto the actual teeth. So I called Smile Direct Club, let them know that, hey, I might be having some issues, and they assured me that if I am having issues, I can go back, get reevaluated, and make sure that these problems are fixed. So I've heard some nightmare stories of these aligners not working, customer service has been awful, but I've had no issues with customer service. I'm very surprised about that because they seem to be doing a crazy amount of these aligners for a lot of people across the nation. And to be able to get that feedback and for them to tell me that, no, you can go back, we'll make sure that it gets done right, is a great aspect. And I wasn't really sure I was gonna be getting that, but if I do have problems, which I'm gonna be able to tell here in the next week or so, if the problems don't get fixed, then I'm gonna be going back and getting reevaluated. I also did get contacted by Smile Direct Club, and it was a person I believe is a sales rep for them, and they called me asking if I was ready to buy my Smile Direct Club retainer. Now the retainer is something that you should invest in. It's kind of a schemy little thing that they do, but you gotta make sure that your teeth are gonna stay the way that they are after your treatment is done with your aligners. So what they do, Smile Direct Club, what they do is they'll call you, they'll send you emails, they'll say, hey, it's time for you to get your retainers, so that way you can keep your perfect smile. And you gotta do it, but I think it's 99 bucks, 100 bucks, but they say you can get 25% off. And I really do think it is you gotta do it. It's a benefit. It sucks. They should just include that in the cost of your original aligners because you need a retainer regardless, but that's how they're able to say, oh, your aligners are so cheap, but then you still have to pay for the retainer. So kind of sucks, but you gotta do it. I'll leave it at that. I really want to thank you guys for using my code when you buy your Smile Direct Club aligners. It is a huge help to me and I really do appreciate it. But for those of you that don't know, Smile Direct Club has a ambassador program, which is basically just a referral program that they use to get more people to use their aligners. So if you're going and you're thinking about using these aligners, I would really appreciate it if you use my code. But if you have someone else's code that you would like to use, by all means, go ahead and use their code. It's just extra revenue that you can be giving a friend, a colleague, a YouTuber, and I just hope you guys take advantage of that. Now, for the 6 benefits that you might see yourself taking advantage of when you get the Smile Direct Club aligners. Number 1, now this one is super obvious, straighter teeth. You're gonna benefit from these aligners in the long run. You're gonna get straighter teeth. It will be time consuming, it will be annoying, but straighter teeth, keep that in the back of your mind. Every time that you get annoyed with these aligners, you will have straighter teeth at the end. Number 2, this one I've touched on a little bit in earlier videos, and if you haven't checked out those videos yet, do so. I would really appreciate it. But this one is you're going to be snacking less. And you're gonna be snacking less because every time that you go and eat, you have to take your aligners out, wash them off, and then eat, and then you actually have to go and brush your teeth again before you put your aligners back in. Now that gets super annoying if every 2 hours you're gonna be grabbing a snack. So I have actually cut down quite a bit on snacking, and that's only because of the annoyance factor of having to brush my teeth and clean my aligners every time I go and grab a snack or some chips or even like a soda. I'm not even drinking soda or Gatorade because of that issue of having to brush my teeth every single time I go and eat anything. So definitely an advantage is snacking less often. Number 3, and this one might come from benefit number 2, but you're actually probably gonna lose some weight, potentially lose some weight. That's because your eating habits are going to change. You're not gonna be able to snack as often as you are. You're not gonna be able to walk around with a soda, a Gatorade, any nasty colored beverages. You're only ever allowed to intake water when you're wearing your aligners. So the aligners really prevent you from going outside of drinking water throughout the day. And actually, water fills you up throughout the day. So if you're drinking more water, you're gonna be full longer, you're gonna snack less, and you're not gonna be able to drink those colored beverages. Number 4, you're gonna have improved dental hygiene. Yes, so if your dental hygiene isn't great now, it will be much improved when you start wearing Smile Direct Club aligners. One of those reasons is because you have to brush your teeth after every single meal. So right now, I think on the daily, I'm brushing my teeth between 4 and 5 times a day. Yeah, it's crazy. But it's good because it keeps my teeth clean, it keeps my aligners clean, and you can also tell when you're not doing a very good job brushing your teeth because your aligners actually get pretty disgusting. So it's really a warning saying, hey, you need to clean your mouth better for the next time you put your aligners in. Number 5, and this one is for you guys that like to puff on that cancer stick. You cannot smoke when you're wearing your Smile Direct Club aligners. No smoking, it will discolor your aligners, it will make them deteriorate faster. It's gross nonetheless, but you are not allowed to smoke with your aligners in. If you are really serious about getting straighter teeth, you're gonna be putting that cig down. And number 6, last but not least, for those that get nervous or anxious and tend to bite their nails, you are not gonna be able to bite your nails anymore. And this is for 2 different reasons. Reason number 1, it's just impossible to bite your nails and break through them when you have the aligners in because you can't get that sharp edge on your teeth to actually make any damage to your nail. And the other, when you actually have your aligners out, your teeth are gonna be so sensitive that you're not even gonna want to bite your nails. It would actually be a little too painful on your teeth to make any progress on your nails when you have your aligners out. And that is it, guys. That is the 3-month update of my Smile Direct Club aligners. I hope the video helped you out, and if it did, please be sure to leave the like. Subscribe to the channel if you want to follow my journey all the way to the end. I'm gonna leave you guys with some before and after pictures, my progress pictures throughout, and I'm even gonna add a side-by-side picture of my original picture and where I am today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.